If Audacity is showing an error code for an invalid device, it usually means the program can see your hardware, but it can't build a stable audio connection. The good news is that this is usually fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get your microphone or recording device working again in Audacity. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, let's start with the USB connection. If you're using a USB microphone or interface, unplug it and plug it into a different port on your computer. Try a port directly on the computer instead of a keyboard or monitor port, and avoid unpowered USB hubs. Sometimes the device has power, but not enough stable data connection, and that is enough to trigger the invalid device error in Audacity. After changing the port, give the computer a moment to detect the device again, then reopen Audacity and test it one more time. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your Windows privacy settings. On both Windows 10 and Windows 11, there is a master permission that controls whether desktop apps are allowed to access your microphone. To check this, open your Windows settings, go to Privacy or Privacy and Security, then open Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on, and just as important, make sure the master toggle for Allow Desktop Apps to access your microphone is also turned on. Audacity is a desktop app, so if this setting is off, Windows may block it even though the microphone is detected. Once you enable that permission, close Audacity completely and open it again so the change takes effect. Now let's fix the audio host inside Audacity itself. Open Audacity and go to the audio settings where you choose your audio host. If it is set to WASAPI, change it to MME or Windows DirectSound instead. WASAPI can sometimes cause device stability issues depending on the microphone, interface, or driver setup, while MME and DirectSound are often more reliable for troubleshooting. After switching the audio host, reselect your input device, check your recording channels, and try recording again. In many cases, that one change is enough to clear the invalid device error. If you want the fastest path, do these steps in order. Change the USB port, verify the Windows microphone permission for desktop apps, and then switch the Audacity audio host away from WASAPI. That combination solves the problem for a lot of users because it addresses the physical connection, the operating system permission, and the software driver mode all at once. If the device still isn't stable after that, restart your computer and reconnect the microphone before opening Audacity again. A fresh restart can help Windows rebuild the audio stack and properly detect the device. So to recap, if Audacity gives you an invalid device error, first check the USB connection and avoid unpowered hubs, then make sure Windows allows desktop apps to access the microphone, and finally change the Audacity audio host to MME or Windows DirectSound. Those 3 steps will fix most cases without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.